All right, this is how we gonna freak it. We gonna take these potatoes, you know what I'm saying? We gonna cut all the eyes off these potatoes, and we gonna make good of these potatoes before the eyes get any older, you know what I'm saying? They've been sitting for a while. So we're gonna go ahead and cut them up real good, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna make use of these.
Where the other bottle?
It's right there with you. Oh, this one? Right here. I told you don't jump on it. I told you that already. We about to get a drip check. But my drip is right now. Yeah, I'm about to get a drip check.
You like garlic?
Oh, yes.
I love garlic.
Yeah, not too much, but I like it. I don't even know what's too much. I just have to eat it.
I don't think there's such thing as too much.
There ain't no such thing as too much garlic, huh? You already know what it is, man. It's time for a drip check. You know what I'm saying? We got the leathers. You know what I'm saying? Where does leather come from, baby? Wilson's. We got the Wilson's leather, so you know it's real. You know what I'm saying? We got the Dikembe Mutombo Atlanta Hawks throwback Mitchell and Ness jersey. You know what I'm saying? You already know how we coming. You know what I'm saying? We got the motherfucking True Religions. You know what I'm saying? We got the true. Damn, these ain't even the trues. These ain't even the trues I got on. I'm talking about the trues. I got hella trues, but these ain't the trues. I don't even know what these is. What are those? You know what I'm saying? And we got the Terminator Nikes. You know what I'm saying? We got the Terminator Nike Airs on. You know what I'm saying? That's how we coming, man. That's how we coming, man.
All right.
Yeah.
We got
What we got?
we got the best laces out.
The best laces
Best
out.
laces out.
You know what I'm
Best
saying?
laces out. We got the I don't know what these is.
Those shoes.
Are they?
Yeah, them trues.
I was gonna call them Levi's.
Yeah, them trues.
Them trues.
You got the true religions.
You got trues.
You know what I'm saying?
Crocs.
You got the Crocs.
Crocs.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, the official
Get
Crocs.
into it. Right now I'm chilling around the house, but if I go later on, I go sport mode on them.
Uh-huh.
Go sport mode.
Uh-huh. You already know. You know what I'm saying?
And that's it.
And that's it.
Because I don't like getting dressed unless I'm going somewhere.
Hey,
It's my everyday shirt.
hey,
It's my favorite shirt.
she wearing her everyday shirt because she don't like getting dressed unless she going somewhere. But me, I work every day, so I don't gotta be going nowhere for me to put something on to make myself feel good. That's how I do it. You know what I'm saying?
I'm just saying I don't like my clothes on.
You know what I'm saying? I could dig it. And that's that. You already know how we coming, man. 47 years old. I'll be 48 on April 1st. You know what I'm saying? My birthday coming up. Shout out to all the Aries. I know it's Taurus season.
Live. It's actually Pisces season. It's my birthday.
It's Pisces season?
Yes.
Oh, I thought it was Taurus season.
No.
All right, I know it's Pisces season right now. You know what I'm saying? But Aries season is approaching. You know what I'm saying?
You see how he just passed right over that? I'm the Pisces. He just want to pass over it. Because he's an Aries. That's what they would do.
It was a mistake. It's boy.
Potatoes too soft.
Let me test that.
That's why I'm giving it to you.
All right.
It's hot.
It's still hot. It's good. Let's go. I'm ready. I'm ready to eat. Got the corn simmering. I said simmering. It's on full blast. It ain't simmering. I'm about to make the simmer. I just turned the fire off. It's gonna start simmering soon. We got the broccoli over here. And the broccoli is looking good. Look nice and soft. Nice and soft. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you see them shrimp? See, she ain't putting no shrimp on my fork. But boy, look at that there. It's time to get busy. It's time to get busy.